Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Baby Girl. It is a one-wall dance that has three parts. But guess what? Instructor, this dance is perfect for your beginners because although there's three parts, it's so simple. So this is the ideal dance for you to teach them if they've never done a dance, you've never taught them a dance that had more than one part, okay? If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. I always want to give a shout out to everyone that always click on these videos, watch them, and share them and leave me a comment and a like. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate your support. If you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. We gotta dance together. So watch till the end and let's dance together. So, I have an exciting announcement for you in a few weeks, so stay tuned. So here we go. It's Baby Girl, and we're going to start at this wall here. Again, instructors, although it's three parts, I'm telling you, it is so simple. Here we go. So stand on this side of the room, looking in this direction. You're going to walk right, left, right, kick, and step. Okay, so we're going back in the other direction. So we go to the right, right, left, right, kick, left, and step. And step. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Out 8. That's your first count. I went right, left, right, kick, and step, left, right, out. That's my 8 count. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, out 8. So I held it on that right. 5, 6, and 7, 8. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, walk right. 1, 2, 3, kick left. Step, left, right, out. Let me show you in this direction. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, out 8. So I held my right on 5, 6, 2 beats. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So I held right, left, right, out. Okay, so let's add on. 8, so I'm going to go back, cross back. 1, so it's 1, 2, out 3, 4, out 5, 6, shoulder come back, half turn, 7, 8. And we're going to do the same thing so that's part 1. Same thing we did at the front wall, we're going to do at the back wall. So let's put it together. So I went back, cross, back, out, back, tap, tap, tap. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Walk right. 1, 2, 3, kick. 4, hold. 5, 6, and 7. Out 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I tap back with my right shoulder coming back 3 times. Again, let's walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, kick. 4 and 5, 6, left, 7, 8. 8 is out. I cross back on 1, out 2, 3, out 4, 5. So I did it 3 times. My left heel is out. I cross back on 1, out 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I went left, right, left. So my left heel is out already. So I cross back on 1. I go back on my right, that's 2. And out and in on my left, that's 3. Then I tap back 3 times with my right shoulder come back, half turn. Right, right, right. And I'm tapping with my heel up. And I'm going to do the same thing on this walk. So let's go on this walk. We walk right. 1, 2, 3, kick 4 and 5, 6, left, 7, out 8. Back on the right, 1, out 2, 3, out 4, and 5. So that was left, right, left. On 5, paddle back on 6 with the right shoulder coming back, going back to your walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was 3 taps. That's all in part 1. You got the dance now, because part 2 and 3 is so simple. Okay? And we're going to do all 4 walls counterclockwise. And then we start back over. Doing part 2 and part 3 is going to move to your left, doing the same thing at all walls. Okay? So let's put 1 together, because we got the dance now. 5, 6, 7, walk right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 and 7, out 8. Back 1, 2, back 3, 4, 5. Tap 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, kick 4 and 5. 6, left, 7, out 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. And right heel is up. So this is what I'm going to do on part 2. Rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We call that a whine. According to the music and the choreographer. That's it. You're going to do it all 4 walls. A 1, 2, back 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, 2, back 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, 2, back 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, back 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo, that was hard, huh? Part 3. Cross on the right, cross on the left, shuffle right, left, right, left. Move it to your left, counterclockwise, just like the step you just did. Then I'm going to do it again. Hook on the right, hook on the left, shuffle right, left, right, left. I'm going to do it again. Hook on the right, kick on the left, and move to your left. Shuffle with the 4 shuffle. Right, left, hook right, hook left, move left, right, left, left. And when you get here, you just do your hook one more time. Hook right, hook left. End of dance. So you start over. Part 1, walk to the right. So there's no changes, no tags, no bridges. Okay? So you do part 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and walk. 1, 2, 3, kick 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, kick 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, back 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock 1, 2, back 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, hook 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, hook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hook 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8, right 1, 2, left 3, 4, shuffle right, hook again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and walk. Start the dance over. Baby girl, let me know how you think. This is a groove. So I played the music, the first time I danced to it and I didn't get it. I didn't get it. And then I played it again. I got it. It's a vibe, y'all. Just slow it down a little bit and feel the music. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for my announcement. Would you share this video? My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.